Alright, so I just received a buck knife from eBay that I had purchased. I'm going to open it. Got my Crawford good luck knife. This is from, I think, 1942. And these are wax, really nice packaging. Wax placards that came with the knife. So there's one. It's got, looks like Latin or something on the back. I don't know what language that is. Did a really good job packaging. There's that one. You can see WWII gun battalion, so anti-aircraft artillery until the final gun. This came with the knife. Same thing, some kind of Latin on the back. So I'm gonna have to make it like a picture frame for these or put them somewhere safe. And then the best part, I like this engine turn jeweling. So this knife, well, it's nicer than I thought. The pictures didn't do it justice. Yeah, but see, this had the jeweling on it as well. That blade is super sharp. So there's no real, that's a good size. It feels nice. Picture didn't have anything. But on here, this is darker than it looked. It says France, 1944 to 1945. The guy's name was Stitch. And it says AAA. 411th AAA. And then to Stitch again. Really happy with this for a 78-year-old knife. I'm on the fence whether or not I should polish it and refurbish it, redo the jeweling. It looks pretty nice. Maybe do one side, or I don't know, but it's still really sharp. And I was worried it was going to be too small. It's a really big knife. Anyhow, that's my latest knife on eBay.